Hey friends in the construction machinery industry, check this out. Today, let me introduce a true workhorse, the 2014 XCMG Sr220 rotary drilling rig. It is equipped with a Cummins engine, boasting a rated power of up to 26 kilowatts. This machine packs a powerful maximum torque of 20 kilonewton-meters, making drilling smooth and efficient, with a maximum pile depth of up to 64 meters, and a drilling diameter ranging from 1.5 to 2 meters. It handles various construction needs with ease. This machine with only 5,700 hours of operation, making it a rare find in the market as a high-quality used equipment. Interested friends, please leave a message in the comments or send us a private message.